Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on to show you how I take these items here, some from the Dollar Tree and more, and we are going to turn them into a lovely piece of Christmas decor. So we're going to start with this. I forgot what they call these. I don't remember. Anyways, so we have this, and I am going to add some of this silver bling here going around, and it has a self-adhesive on the back, so we're just going to peel it off and add it to the bottom part. Now that that's all done, I'm going to take some of this glam silver chain that I have here, and using some of our E6000 glue, I'm going to glue it going right around the bottom piece also. And our final piece that we're adding is these little crowns here that I got from Totally Dazzled. Aren't these super cute? She has this crown collection on her site, and I think they're so nice. So I'm just going to use some hot glue and gluing to the top of our piece, and you can use any adhesive that you'd like to glue down on your project. I'm just using some hot glue today. And easy as 1, 2, 3, here is our finished look. I like how it turned out. I think it looks super cute with the crown on top and the little bling on the bottom. Now you can get these in the dollar store, and it's easy just to glam them up and have a lovely piece of decor for your home. And here it is with some lights inside, the tea lights. And I just added some cotton swabs to help make it look like a little snow to cover up the battery pack of the tea lights. I think it looks super cute. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of DIY number 1. Now on to DIY number 2. And these are the items that we'll be using to decorate our second DIY. So again, we have this here that I got from the Dollar Tree. And they also have them in Dollarama. If you're over here, you can get them in Dollar Tree or Dollarama. So again, we're going to take the bottom half, and we're going to put some of this silver bling ribbon going right around, and I'll just be using some hot glue.
I'm on one. If you got something to say something. Yes, I'm the great one. Even though they try to stop me, I'll be still running. Remember, you can take me off the path. I'm having a blast. It's Mario Dash. I'm one of your last. I'm going too fast. Is he teaching a rat? I'm high as the facts. Is this the way to rap? I don't know. But bitch, where's throwing the snacks? Ah, crap. I was living in my victory laps. Yeah, now my head is back.
And now for the top half, I'll be putting some of these little square, you could call them mirrored pieces. They have a self-adhesive on the back. So we're just going to decorate the top half with these square pieces.
Go with things, go with things, and I let 'em ring, let 'em ring, let 'em ring, ring. For this dream, for this dream, for this dream, I know what it means, what it means, what it means to let go of things, go with things, go with things, and I let 'em ring, let 'em ring, let 'em ring.
And now that that's all done, we're just going to put it together and show you the finished look. And another easy is 1, 2, 3. Here's our finished look. I like how it turned out. See how easy it is to buy something in the dollar store and just glam it up, and you have a lovely piece of decor for your home or to give as a gift to a loved one. And here we go with the lights inside. I did the same thing. You could place anything inside of it that you like, and it will look absolutely lovely. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today, and I hope I have inspired you with 2 more lovely DIY decor ideas for this Christmas season. And I hope you guys will give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, I hope you do subscribe and press the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. And I do upload videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Alright everyone, remember as always to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.